This is such a unique puzzle. Not only is it gorgeous, but it glows in the dark, y'all. Oh my gosh, like look at this. Just gorgeous, like, they are so beautiful. Such a different vibe though, right? Like everything is highlighted. The castle, birds, oh, so many unicorns, flowers and butterflies. It's just so cool. Glow in the dark puzzle. Yes, please. Am I right? This thing is amazing. I love the detail. It is so great for fantasy lovers. You've got castles giving Hogwarts vibes. You've got unicorns all over, waterfall. And one really cool feature is that some of the unicorns are kind of hidden when you have the lights on, and then they pop out in the glow in the dark, which is like crazy. Can you see this one here? Yup, it's kind of hidden here. You don't really notice it. And over here, it's nice and thick, really good quality. The pieces are small. There are 500, and then it comes with a nice box and this gorgeous poster, which is exactly the same as the puzzle. This is Glow in the Dark Hidden Images Unicorn Retreat from Masterpieces.